Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important enzymes uh, which are used as markers for organelles. So we have plasma membrane. The marker of plasma membrane is 5-nucleotidase adenyl cyclase sodium potassium ATPase. This is the marker for plasma membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum, we have glucose 6 phosphate as marker. For Golgi apparatus, galactosyl transferase is used as a marker. Then we have for inner mitochondrial membrane, we can use ATP synthase has marker. Then for lysosome, cathepsin is used as a marker. Then for cytoplasm, lactate dehydrogenase is used as the markers. So these are the different enzymes which act as markers for organelles. Thank you guys for watching my lecture. Thank you.
Thank you and thank you for watching.